Hello friends, and welcome back to my studio. Thank you so much for joining me for another installment of 3 Impactful Paints. So while last week I went really bright with my color scheme, today I'm going back to kind of my roots, and this one's for my peeps that love minimalism. So I've got a really nice earthy basic color scheme, and let's just get into it. I'll bring you down, show you the paints, we'll mix some different colors, and let's pour some paint. Here we are with the colors. I have black from Liquitex. I have my white from Blick. This is burnt umber from Liquitex. Beautiful color. I've got my Blick acrylic copper. And I believe this is Modern Masters iridescent gold. My tag got paint on it. Okay, so first things first, I knew I was going to want a lot of this, so I went ahead and pre-mixed this. This is just these two colors mixed together, so it's the white and the burnt umber to create this really lovely kind of maybe dark tan color, I guess you'd call it, light brown. And then I think the next one I'm going to do is going to be burnt umber and copper to make a really nice dark sparkly brown. Okay, beautiful. So one thing I wanted to talk about too is I've used this burnt umber color in a previous episode, but just a reminder, this is a nice warm brown, which is one of the reasons it's my favorite. Some browns lean cooler, some browns lean warmer. The cooler ones will have a little more of a green undertone. This one has a little more of a red undertone, which I really like. Okay, I think I'm also going to do brown, my burnt umber, and gold. Not sure how well that's going to show up on video, but that is gorgeous. It's a really light kind of sparkly straw color, like a dark sparkly straw. Beautiful. And you can see the difference between those, I think. A copper and gold. Because why not? That is a beautiful color also. So I think that's all the mixing I'm going to do today. You've seen what this looks like together. You know I can make a nice gray out of this. I don't think I need to demonstrate that again. So yeah, let's move on. I'm skipping a little ahead here in the video. So the first two paintings I did were open cup pours, and I am going to show you those, but I'm going to record that video and probably release it tomorrow. They were a little brighter, and what I was really going for with this color scheme was something darker, moodier, more minimalist. So I decided to take all the metallics out, except in one of these I think I used a little bit of gold, but I decided to part back just to the white, burnt umber, and black, and I really love these results.
There was something we were fighting about. Can't remember it, can't recall at all. Something about my mind, something wasn't right, something about me. You always win, you always get away. No matter how much pain you cause, I stay. I'm always left behind, lonely in the night. It's so dark, can't see the light. But babe, I got a lonely heart. and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. There was something you were screaming about, but I closed my ears cause I don't wanna hear it anymore. God, it's always something about me, never something about you, always something about me, only me. What's up with that? What's up with that? Have you ever asked yourself, what's up with that? Oh baby, why won't you take a good look at yourself and stop blaming me when I just wanna be with you? You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. You, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you. I always wanna be with you, my love. Babe, I got a lonely heart, and I don't wanna be apart. I just wanna be with you, my love. Oh, oh, oh.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be free with me. Be free. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Oh, yeah. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Be free. Be
here with the dry walkthrough. Sorry I forgot to come back upstairs yesterday to record the wet results, but I am really happy with this. I love this little swirl. A little bit of varnish is really going to help brighten that up. This one's probably my favorite. I love those little wispy bits there. So pretty. And here dry, you can really see how nice and warm that burnt umber color is. And then this one isn't my favorite, but I love these bits over here. I might try to embellish this in some way to make it something I love, but yeah, overall, I'm really happy with these 3 little pieces. And if you want a preview of what's to come tomorrow, there we go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you all have a beautiful day. Take care.